How to change name on Gcash. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to change your name that you use on your Gcash account. So first things first, open your Gcash, of course. After that, click on the profile over here on the bottom right. Over here, this is where you will be able to see your menu. Simply select the name, your name, with the number that is attached to it over here at the top. If you select that, you will be able to see and view your account information. If you want to change your name, simply click on this option over here. There will be a message over here for enhance account security, keep your contact information updated. To edit your name and birthday, simply click on the link. So if you click on the link over here just like that, we will be redirected to the options over here or the instructions on how you will be able to change your name over here, as you can see. And that's basically it, guys. Simply follow the instructions for you to be able to change the name. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.